In photography, there are a few rules that you can follow as a photographer to get better composition. And probably the most famous one of all is called the rule of thirds. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can turn on your grid lines inside your Canon mirrorless camera to better follow this rule. And I'm going to start right now. Now, to follow the rule of thirds, you want to split your photo into 3 different sections. You want to split it in the left, center, and right, as well as the top, middle, and bottom. And either place your horizon on one of these lines or place your subject or main importance on either the left or right line. But that might be difficult if you're just looking on the back of a photo. You know, it's very difficult to line everything up. So this is where you want to turn on your grid lines. So to go ahead and turn on your grid lines in camera, go ahead, turn your camera on, then go ahead and select menu. In your red photo menu, go from page 1 all the way over to where you can see it says page 7. Then drop down right at the bottom where you can see it says shooting info and display. Inside here, you want to go to where it says grid lines. At the moment, it's turned off, but if you go ahead and activate it, you've got 3 options: 3x3, 6x4, or 3x3 plus diagonal. For this video, I'm going to go ahead and select 3x3. Now, if you go ahead and turn on the 3x3 grid, this allows you to now follow the rule of thirds on the back of camera. And it's so much easier to line up your horizon on the lower third or top third just by looking at the back of the LCD, or if you're lining up your subject to the left or right of the frame. And it's that easy. And there we go, guys. That is how you can turn on your grid lines to better follow the rule of thirds inside your Canon mirrorless camera.